this project, you'll be using the pattern that's available on my site or the Fairfield World site, 2 colors of felt fabric, a tan fabric for the cookie and an off-white for the icing, and then a bag of polyfill fiberfill. After you mix all those ingredients together, you pop them in the oven, and in no time at all, you'll have a batch of calorie-free cookies. Okay, it's not quite that easy, but this is a simple and fun project to make. After you've downloaded and printed the pattern, you're going to cut them out using the larger shape on the tan fabric and then the smaller inset shape on the off-white fabric. We're going to pin together the icing to the front of the cookie. I used a lot of pins because felt fabric tends to pull and stretch, and so the best way to keep it in shape was to use a ridiculous amount of pins. And then I'm just using a basic stitch and going all around the edge to hold that in place. You want to take your time, and really you get better with each one. So you can see I've stitched all around the front there, and I've done that with all of my cute cookies. Before I join the front of the fabric to the back, I'm going to use my pin and needle with some beads to add the little sprinkles to the cookie. Then I'm going to pin the front to the back with the right sides out, and you can see I've got a different foot on my sewing machine there. I'm actually going to do a blanket stitch using the buttonhole features that I have on my machine. So I'm just carefully and slowly going around all the edges of the cookie to seal them up together. Again, you just want to take your time so that your stitches are nice and even, and you can see I've closed them up on all the sides except for one. Got to leave a little opening there so I can fill my cookie with the polyfill fiberfill. You can decide how much stuffing you want. You can use a lot or a little, and then pin that opening shut and sew the rest of the cookie together. These are so cute and fun to make. You could turn them into ornaments or a garland, or even turn them into a wreath like I did. Have fun crafting and creating with felt and fabric and polyfill.